Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to install or install the request for code in Magento 2. That is a free extension that is from the FME. So you can use this extension to generate the beautiful code for the customers and get all the detail from them. Okay. So we have in Magento 2 version. So let's check out how it's gonna working. So extension is installed. Just need to write the permissions only. After that we will check the demo. So this is done. So let's what exactly they have asked. This is the extension. Okay, so let me check what exactly in etc front end routes.xml, what exactly the route would be, the quick RFQ. So I'm going to copy it and go and do the our demo, and here we need to pass out the quick RFQ and checking it is working or not. So this is the quick RFQ requirements. So company name, masters, name Rajnikant, email Royal Rajnikant, phone number. You can put on project title, what needed by, which date, approved, brief overview like hello. Uh, I have purchased hello product ID. You can say is not good, something like that. You can put over here. You can upload the document if you can, right? And you can make it open, and if I'm going to submit this, unable to send email. Okay, so that let's check the backend admin panel. Mail is not configured over here, so that's the reason unable to send the email. So let's go to the admin. So this is done. Okay, so let's go to the RFAQ catalog. Let's check the stores configuration if it has. In the demo it is there. So let's check where it has been uh, there, like where is etc admin html menu.xml menu.xml fm extensions quick custom order. Title should be the custom order. Okay, so let's go to the custom order. Here we it has the custom order. Module name is changed. So we can't find the records because the email is not working from my side. That's the reason it rejects. So this is the full-fledged, right? So here I have created contact name, email status created, and this one. Okay, so this is the basic. You can say if you want for this one, you can use this extension for generating the codes. Okay, so yeah, I hope I hope you will. If you looking for the such kind of thing, so then you can use it. That I think this is the free one. The rest one is not. I guess any kind of free is there. All the extensions have paid, right? So you can use this extension for the requesting a code from. If you want any kind of feedback from the customer, you can use this form. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.